And so the part that you could that normally people oversee, can we say that it's more about the work of Dantian or the whole process of the Kundalini energy?
Yeah, I think there's a practical lack of understanding what it means to root the energies in your Dantian. We call it the Kundalini point, no? What does that actually mean? What is the effect of doing that? How does this have an effect in your channel system? I think it's difficult to really find and assess, to feel your channels and to learn how to deal with your channels. And the second thing is the real transformation of the Kundalini, how you use the Dantian to get this energy to move within your central channel. And this is quite a high and accomplished yogic activity. And for this, you really need to have very clear instructions. You need to develop your sensitivity. You need to develop also patience to really go there and practice this. Because it's very possible that some of this inner movements, they will not take you weeks. They will maybe take you months and years to really fully accomplish and comprehend. So I think that's very important to keep in mind. No, this is a very subtle and sophisticated process in your meditative process. But once you get a deeper understanding of these functions of your energy, you will definitely, most and absolutely definitely, start to comprehend the whole system of Kundalini Yoga in a different way. Because in the moment you are rooted in this energy, in the moment you are connected, you're really connected with your central channel, the way the different positions we do affect you will become much more clear. Because you develop the capacity to follow energy flows, and you will recognize how the different angles, how the different meridians we have in our fingers, the Jupiter energy, the Saturn energy, the Sun energy, the Mercury energy, the ego, how in all these different combinations we do in the different positions, they actually create certain flows within your Nadi system, which then will give you a certain meditative experience. But when your energy is not rooted, when your winds are all over the place, when you do not even know what is your central channel and how to assess it in a stable way, then the subtleties of this yoga are very hard to accomplish. And again, the absolute root of everything is to understand inner silence in a deeper and more clear way. Because in the end, all these subtleties become available to you when you are able to rest in the stillness, but in the same time have the capacity to be very, very alert. To have these two together, the alertness and the openness, is very difficult. Because many people, when they go into the openness, they lose their alertness. Let's say we space out. And it's very nice. You're very high. You do these yoga exercises. You're very high. You feel good for a few days. But are you really assessing the subtleties of the system? And for others, when we get very alert, we get distracted from the stillness.
Pritam Bhagavati, Pritam Bhagavati, Pritam Bhagavati.